Hey everyone, this is meteorologist Matt Jones from the NCSU Weather Center. So happy April 1st. We finally made it. We got a month left of classes. We're almost there. Hang in there. So we're just going to go over a few topics today and get ready for the Easter break. So first on our list, we have pollen count. So we know with spring coming, it's that warmer weather and the great temperatures, but also you got the deadly pollen that just makes this life just miserable. Also with that, we're going to look at the late spring. We're going to see what kind of temperatures we're supposed to get and what type of temperatures we have been getting and the difference between that. Also, we're going to look at our Easter forecast and see what might actually come about. We might actually have some rain in there, so get ready for that. So as we start on, we look at over here, the high values, red, yellow, it goes down all the way to green. Look at North Carolina here, almost solid red, as well as for the rest of the South. If we look, that's going to continue for today, Wednesday, for Thursday, and for Friday, and then also as that goes on to the beginning of next week. So spring is here, spring is in full force. So buy the Zyrtec and all those allergy medicines because you're going to need it coming up here pretty soon. So we want to get into late spring. We saw the gopher, the Punxsutawney Phil, or whatever he does. He does about the same as meteorologists nowadays. Don't tell him I said that. But look at here. Average MAC temperature, minimum temperature, January, February, March. These are the temperatures that we've seen on average as well for the climatology report. But look at here. April, May, we're looking in the high 70s, lows starting in about 40s, going into the 50s. Here come those warmer temperatures, so get ready for that as well. So what are we going to be looking at for the next few days, including today? Look at this high pressure system. This is going to dump some rain over here in the Washington, D.C. area. We're not really going to see any of that, and that's going to stay fairly clear. But also I want you to take a look right here at this low pressure system. That's going to cause some problems in the upcoming days. So like I talked about, here's that low pressure system creating all that moisture that's falling over the capital, and then we have clear skies. We saw it yesterday, we're going to see it today, and that's going to continue as the week goes on until Friday. So like I said, here's that low pressure system. That's actually going to move towards the south and going to create some rain coming in for the weekend for our Easter break. So why don't we take a look at that coming up. So today, clear skies, highs 65. It's going to be as nice as it was yesterday. Winds very light. Also tonight, winds light and variable. Same thing, clear skies, lows in the 44. So still going to get very chilly. We're looking at the forecast for tomorrow. Same thing, clear skies, winds very light. But for Easter, I want to take a look and jump forward. This is our forecast. High 63, so it's a little bit cooler, but morning rain. So if you're going to find yourself going to church, make sure you bring an umbrella and enough for the whole family as well. But also at the same time, by afternoon, probably around 2 to 3 o'clock, those are going to clear out and you're going to get some partly cloudy skies with some sun coming in as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the forecast. Wednesday, like we said, clear skies, clear skies. Friday, you're going to start seeing that afternoon, those clouds start to develop, and then you're going to see later on that night into the morning hours, some rain showers. We're going to be clear later on that afternoon into Sunday as well with moderate temperatures. So from your weather forecast here at the NCSU Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Matt Jones. Have a great day.